Hair flip approved. So hey gorgeous, please excuse the plastic monstrosity that is currently on my head. That is not the wig that I will be reviewing today. I just didn't want to be bald for this intro section, but the brand and the wig that I'll be reviewing is from the brand Irresistible Me. The wig was sent to me for free to review, but like always, my opinion is 100% my own. I do also have a discount code with the brand, which is code IM_LUNAROSE, and for today's video, we will be reviewing their 18-inch vegan fibre lace front wig. So without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? So this is what the wig arrives like. It did come in like a different postage box, but this is like the actual wig and the wig storage. And this already is giving luxury. I've never had a wig arrive in its own full custom round box. I was very impressed, and literally when I opened it, I was like, ooh, girl, we're fancy in this place. Normally I just get my wigs in a little bag in a postage envelope. So very fancy. On the front, it does say a vegan fibre wig, which basically just means synthetic. And again, it is from the brand Irresistible Me. On the side, it just says pre-styled on trend, HD transparent lace, zero stress transformation, and recyclable packaging. Like I said, I did pick up the 18-inch vegan fibre wig. I will leave everything linked down below, along with the discount code, the specific wig, along with Irresistible Me's website, social media, the works of it all. But on the side, there are just some wig care tips, and yeah, just the packaging alone I had to mention and showcase in today's video, since I have genuinely never had a wig arrive in a good sturdy cardboard box, and it gets better when you open it up. I was genuinely girl, we're in the more higher end brand of wigs and not the typical that I'm used to. But inside you do have your wig in a very, it's not going to get crushed or messed around with. It just arrives absolutely gorgeous, ready. You can literally get this out of the box, shake it and wear it. It's kind of one of those wigs. Like I said, it is a lace front wig, so you get some kind of stuffing on the inside to help protect it and keep it with its volume. I actually keep them to use as stuffers for wigs, so highly recommend keeping the paper packaging along with the wig net and stuff. But this is the wig that we're going to be reviewing today. You guys know me, I love a good bouncy kind of blonde highlighted wig, and this already is giving me so much life. Like I said, it is a lace front wig, and you do get a very good amount of lace. You do get the full 13 inches across the full perimeter, which is something I always look for. I like to have that versatility and variety with a wig of, if I want to snatch it up, I can make sure it's glued down to my sideburns, and it's not going to be lifting or anything. In terms of the inside, again, you do get a decent amount of lace all the way back, along with this really good kind of central parting amount of lace. So not only could you kind of freestyle it and change around the parting, it does come with a very good central part. You do have two combs at the top of the head, as well as one very large comb at the back of the neck. This brand just, they understand what it is to wear a wig and what you want inside a wig. I absolutely love it when they have a comb at the back of the neck. You do also have an elastic band for extra security, along with the wig tightening straps. So already I'm very impressed, just based on the specifications and what the wig has on the inside of it. Impresses me, and I'm I'm an avid wig wearer. You guys have seen I wear a lot of wigs on my channel. I have reviewed a lot of wigs, and this already, just based on construction, based on the amount of lace, based on the combs, based on the comb at the back of the neck, it's giving me so much life. So I'm just gonna ooh, it also has little baby hairs along the hairline. I do like that. I know some people are kind of indifferent to it, but if you don't like it, you can easily just trim it off, or take a little bit of hairspray and gel and just kind of slick them back. But I do like a little bit of baby hairage. It definitely does make it look a lot more natural. So I'm just gonna go in with some of these zigzag scissors. I saw a hack on TikTok that it makes the lace look pretty much invisible, and so I've been doing this every time I've been trimming the lace on my wig. But you do get a decent amount of lace. I'm just gonna trim her down, and we can pop her on and talk about her a little bit more. This is what I wish my hair looked like. And then this is what she looks like on. Let me know what you think of her in the comment section down below. I, for one, can already say I love this wig. It just, This is what I wish my hair looked like naturally. Like, I wish I could wake up and just have this gorgeous, like, bouncy, blonde highlighted hair. And even though it's, like, a synthetic wig, they have done a very good, like, choice and blend of the vegan fibre that they use to make it look natural. Like, this doesn't look, like, insanely, like, unnatural kind of synthetic shiny. It has a really good mix of tones throughout it. Like, you have darker tones as well as like some lighter like bleach tones to it, and the actual like darker like streaks in this wig aren't actually that far off from like my natural like hair colour. So maybe in the future I could use it as like a stick on like ponytail piece as well, since she is so pretty. And I absolutely love how it kind of has some lighter pieces in the front with then like the kind of like striped kind of, is it balayage? Not balayage. Highlighted effect. We'll just go with that. Like I said, it is a lace front and you do get a decent amount of lace. If I did go in and, you know, like glue it down, it would give me full ear to ear coverage. Along with these like little baby hairs in the front, definitely will make it look a lot more natural. Particularly if you are going to like wear it back or up, it works, it looks great, and that is exactly like what I'm going to do with it in the future. I'm very excited to style this in a variety of different ways. Like I said, you do have the two combs at like the kind of top of the head as well as the comb at the back of the neck, which I love when a wig has a comb at the back of the neck. And this wig is secure. Obviously I haven't like glued it down or anything, and it is on my head. It feels nice and sturdy and secure, and all I've literally done is trim the lace and toss it on my head. So she looks so pretty. I'm so impressed with how they've like gone in with the different tones. Like, it genuinely is like a full multi-tonal wig. I know like it's kind of, I don't know, like I feel like a MILF. Like, that's how I would explain how I feel with this wig, is I feel like a MILF. Like, I feel so glamorous and sexy. And this is also kind of the length of my natural hair right now. Like, my natural hair is like collarbone-ish, and this is like obviously with a little bit of curl, like collarbone-ish length. So this is giving me my full fantasy of hair goals and dreams without me having to like spend hours trying to style my hair and curl it to get it this like voluminous and bouncy. It's so pretty. So I'm just looking on the website and it currently retails for £111 in the spring sale, which honestly I think is a very good price for a high quality. Like, this is high quality luxury. Like, literally that impressed me so much. And then when I actually put the wig on, I was like, this brand understands how to make good quality synthetic wigs. So it's currently on sale in their little spring sale for £111, and you can stack my discount code of IM_LUNAROSE to save more money on top of that. And you guys will have to let me know what you think in the comment section down below, but I think this is so gorgeous. Like, I can imagine myself keeping like these front kind of blonde pieces out. Obviously imagine that I've like glued the wig down, but even just like pulling it back into like a little like low pony, or if I actually like pinned it to a head and like styled it properly, I could do a high pony with this wig and it would look so gorgeous. Like, I can't get over the colours and tones of, like, this is a very like, if you know wigs kind of thing. The like mix of colours that they have put into this to like make it into this wig is so impressive. And the fact that I have so much lace that goes literally all the way back to the middle of my head, and obviously I can change the parting if I want to, because it is a lace front. You can literally just go in with some like hairspray and just brush it, and girl, I'm like ready. I'm at the door. I look glamorous. I look gorgeous. I feel so just feminine, and I love this wig. Genuinely, that is my opinion so far, is I love this wig. You guys are probably going to get sick to death of seeing it on my channel, since this is just like the perfect wig. Also, when I was brushing it, there was literally like very little shedding. Obviously there's going to be some kind of shedding when you are pulling a brush through a wig, but girl, I've been wearing wigs for like 15 years. This is in like my top 5. This is so impressive in how it's done, the colour, and it doesn't look like a like plastic cheap synthetic wig. It looks incredible for being synthetic, and I personally prefer to work with like synthetic hair. Is what I'm a lot more comfortable with and like used to working with from drag. And Girl, you can't like, you can't take me in this. Like, you can't take me, girl. I feel so pretty. This is gorgeous. And I've also like not glued this down, and I think it would look so cute kind of like pulled back into like a little half up, half down like ponytail moment, or just like a little bun on top of my head. I can already like envision all of the ways I'm going to wear this hair already. Like, I love this style. So yeah, you guys will have to let me know what you think of it in the comment section down below. I think we all know what my opinion of this wig is. I would pay that money time and time again for this wig. This wig was sent to me for free to review, but like I always say, my opinion is 100% my own, and this is 100% my own opinion. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think the proof is in the pudding. Obviously, I haven't like glued it down or anything, but even just like how it is, I could literally just take a bobby pin, stick it in here, and not even think about having to bother to like glue it down or anything. But if you do want to like glue down a wig, I just take a little bit of spirit gum or even hairspray, and I mainly just glue down like the sideburn region. But even if this hair like went back like that, I don't think my natural hair is that like, oh my god girl, you're wearing a wig and your natural hair's exposed. Like, this is like my dream wig. Like, genuinely, I feel so pretty. I love this. So, yeah, you guys will have to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Once again, shout out to Irresistible Me. Thank you so much for sending this wig my way, along with being so patient with me. They literally sent me this wig before Christmas, and I'm only just getting round to filming with it since, you know, there's been a lot of life things going on, as I updated you in, like, my previous video. But, I feel gorgeous. Like, I genuinely just... Thank you so much, Irresistible Me. Like, this is a perfect wig in my opinion. Like I said, you can also use the discount code of IM_LUNAROSE, which will save you money on their website. They also do sell like human hair wigs, they sell bundles, they sell a variety of different like lace front as well as like hard front synthetic wigs, and their fibers that they use are gorgeous. Like, genuinely, the fibers that they have put into this wig, I know wigs, like I have worked with wigs for like 15 years. This is a very good like fiber, and like I said, it is a transparent lace. It maybe looks a little dark on my skin, but since it is like a transparent lace, you can kind of just go in with your foundation and just like the inside of it and it'll match you like perfectly. So yeah girl, I am so impressed. I feel pretty, and if a wig can do that for you, you know it's a good wig. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps me out so much. Comment down below what you think of my new gorgeous blonde highlighted wig. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. I feel so pretty. Like, genuinely, that is the word of the day, is pretty. Stunning. Thank you so much, Irresistible Me. Bye.